welcome back to Posh Cats Camping. Today's video is a collaboration between ourselves at Posh Cats and Fern The Camper. They've got 10 questions for us about what we're doing during our quarantine period. Let's go over to Holly for the first question.
Good morning, everyone. Holly here.
Thorn
and Clive
in Fern the Camper. And question 1. How many rolls of toilet paper do you have at this moment?
Okay, let's go and count them. Nine.
Question 2. What has been the biggest change since the lockdown?
Well, this is the Ipswich Northern Bypass on 3 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon. Normally a road which is bumper to bumper with cars, and I've seen about 5 cars. But as you can see, the road is pretty quiet. So well done, people, for keeping Ipswich safe. And the other thing about it is that when you're walking the doggies, you don't have to go across the Pelican Crossing. You can look both ways and cross the road. It's unheard of. There's Pelican Crossing down there, about 50 yards, and there's another one behind us, another 100 yards behind us.
Question 3. Where are you currently parked or docked?
Well guys, as you probably saw a few minutes ago, we're out on the drive, and Bertie and Ethel are parked right up against the fence. There they are.
Okay, question 4. What have you gone without recently?
Well, Sue said I needed a haircut, but I kind of quite like it, really.
Question 5. What are you most grateful for?
Well, coming to the dining room, the thing I'm most grateful for is technology, because I think being in isolation is bad enough without being able to talk to people. But of course we've got phones, and these days you can do a video call. And on the phone here I've got Sue, who's in the other room, just so we don't get any feedback, and I'm now going to bring a couple of other people into the call. So we've got a right old chit chat going on here. Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
So you got all the posh cats on a call.
Next question. What do you miss the most?
Camping, of course.
Question 7. How long has it been since you've been at a campsite? What is your favorite quarantine food?
Trev's special bangers and mash.
Next question, question number 9 is, how are you exercising or doing workouts?
Well, for a bit of exercise, I'm going to go on a hike. I'm not quite sure how far I'm going to walk yet, but I need to get some gear on. So, got my hat. Need a warm coat, just in case it's a bit chilly up on the hills. Comfortable boots. They'll be alright. Nice pair of comfy boots. So let's go on a walk. Well, this is nice. We go uphill as well. I didn't really go on a hike. We're in isolation after all. But thanks for Dan for letting me use his treadmill, and I didn't go on the cross trainer or do any of the weights, but perhaps I should.
Last question. Who are you challenging next?
Well, thank you, Holly, Thorn and Clive, for asking the questions and allowing me to use your video footage. And coming up on the screen next are the 5 channels that I would like to nominate for the challenge. So all the links for Fern the Camper and the other channels will be in the description below. So until next time, stay safe and stay at home. See you soon. Bye now.